the Great Tantra of Vajrasattva, equal to the end of the sky. While we remain in the state of self-luminescent wisdom, which is naturally non-dual and is pervasive like the sky, the blessings this creates are arrayed like the stars. The blessings of its compassion pervade as does their light. Nothing is joined with or separated from this state of self-luminescence. The blessings of this single wisdom of awareness are like wish-fulfilling jewels. The fruition of the gathered retinue, the self-apparent 6 classes of living beings, falls like the rain from the sky. Things occur just as we analyze or think about them in their non-dual and unified true nature. So the magnificent light of this self-luminescent mirror is perfect in the dimension of a luminescence that has no objects. Exaggerations and appreciations have been made about this heart essence of primordial enlightenment, regarding its existence or non-existence, but it does not abide in these things. It is unlimited. It is not associated with any material things. An analogy is called a needle falling from the sky. It appears to the eyes of the deluded, but is neither of these 2 kinds of conceptions. Exaggerations are dharmas of causal attribution. Depreciations are extremes in which clarity and emptiness do not exist. But in the city where we turn away from all these things, we wish that there were gold in the stones. In the same way, when we crave a vision in which we define ourselves, we desire something that has no position and lacks self-clarity. So how will we attain a fruition that is self-evident? We engage in this self-luminous fruition with a mind that has no awareness. The wheel of unexaggerated awareness is transparent. The transmission of undenigrated self-luminous awareness and the treasure of equanimous awareness that has no position are there, as they are, and without adulteration, without our engaging them. The Tantra, equal to the end of the equanimous sky, rests in a single circle, but due to our not understanding this, we perceive there to be 6, while all of them are obviously the Dharma dominion of the circle.